In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on this Nissan Frontier. There's one in each headlight. We'll access them from right behind, underneath the hood. Let's get started. Located behind the driver's side headlight right here, you'll see where your connectors are and the bulb itself. What you want to do to disconnect it is press right at the top. This tab will press in here but lift up on the base. Sometimes, if it gets stuck or it's difficult to undo, you can use a small screwdriver to help push it up and out of the way. Pull this out, disconnect it, and we'll set that connector aside. And then if you see this white plastic ring, you want to turn it counterclockwise, pull it away, set that aside, and that unlocks the bulb. There we go, that's out, and there's our bulb. This is a 9007 bulb, by the way. Now take your headlight bulb, slide it into the headlight assembly. Make sure this flat part with the locking tab is facing up. There we go. Push it all the way in. Then you take your locking ring, line it up. As soon as it slides in, turn it until it locks. And then of course you want to plug the connector in. You want to listen for a click to make sure that that is locked in. Just like that. Make sure everything is tight, and then do the same to the other side headlight bulb.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.